Good morning, students and staff. It's Friday, the 9th of October, and time for the WBDQ Top Dog News.
Please stand and join us in saying the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Reporting for today,
Or Miss Harley.
and Ms. Medlin. No, there's not two of me. I'm just going to be using my iPad a little bit later to share something with you.
All right, so it's time for our school announcements. Are you listening? Clap, stomp, snap. One more time. Clap, stomp, snap.
Well, this week we are focusing on acts of kindness. Aesop, the ancient Greek author of our greatest fables, said, "No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted."
Speaking of kindness, we are being kind to each other at BDQ by being safe. We're going to show you a little preview of how things are going to look when you return to school by sharing what's referred to as the 3 W's. The first one is wear a mask. Everyone in the school is required to wear a cloth mask. So I am going to share with you something from Craven County Schools. If you go to our Craven County Schools website, you can find these examples. Acceptable masks for wearing back to school. And this is for all staff, students, and visitors that come onto campus. Cloth face mask with ear loops, store-bought or handmade, disposable surgical face mask with ear loops, and make sure the face mask covers the nose and mouth and fits securely. Not acceptable, bandanas and scarves and gaiters and masks with valves. Those things are not acceptable. So I'm going to show you mine. This is called a gaiter. This is not acceptable. And you've probably seen these before. They're very long. They go all around your neck. They're kind of comfortable probably for a little while, but these are not acceptable. Mine's very thin. What is acceptable is a cloth face mask like this with the ear loops. And this one is nice and thick, so I know it's much safer than this really thin gaiter. So there are some differences on acceptable and not acceptable for coming back to Craven County Schools. So Miss Medlin is going to show you the second W, that which is for weight 6 feet apart. Miss Medlin, where on earth are you? There she is.
Hey, I'm right here. I am actually on the kindergarten and first grade pod, and I'm just going to show you these markings on the floor. You can show, it shows that we'll be 6 feet apart, so we're socially distanced. And also you can see that there's directions as well, so you can follow the arrow so you can go in the right directions. We're going to go into a classroom that is already set up and ready for our students to return. This is a kindergarten classroom, and you can see that all the desks are socially distanced, so they're spread apart. And Ms. Morton also has a box here, a handy supply box, so that all the student supplies can be in this container. And other classes will have similar containers to help students keep their supplies separated from others. But you can see that all these desks are far apart from each other to be safe. So Ms. Harley, what's another way we are staying safe?
Well, the final W stands for wash your hands. So Craven County Schools, again, has great information on the website about coming back safely. And I'm going to show you now what they have on the website about washing your hands. And this is washing hands. Follow these 5 steps every time. And it just shows that you need to use, running clean water, warm or cold, lather your hands up really well, backs of your hands, between your fingers, under your nails, scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. If you don't have a timer, you can hum or sing happy birthday to yourself, from beginning to end twice. I've done that several times. And then rinse your hands well under clean water, and then dry your hands using a clean towel or air dry them, which we have paper towels in our bathrooms. And then also use hand sanitizer when you can't use soap and water, because there's not a sink in every room. So we have hand sanitizer in our classrooms, at the entrance of our school. We have hand sanitizer all over the place for your safety. So wash your hands or use hand sanitizer, please, when you're back at school. All right, Miss Medlin, what time is it?
It's birthday time. Who's celebrating a birthday this weekend?
Carson in 5th grade.
Naya in 2nd grade.
Maurice in 1st grade.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday.
So a reminder that Monday is a remote learning day and an optional work day for our staff. This is similar to our Wednesday schedule. So you will not have any Zoom classes on that day, but be sure to check your assignments in Google Classroom.
Well, thank you for watching. And now we'd like everyone to join us in saying the 3 B's.
Be respectful
Be responsible.
and be safe.
Make it a great BDQ day.
We'll see you all on Tuesday on the Top Dog News.